Now I want to understand payment credential. So I'm going to type payment credential here because I want to understand the type and where it's coming from.
I think it's going to be similar to the verification key hash.
Yep, there you
So
go.
payment credential is an alias for something called credential. And so I have to understand what is a credential. There you go. So a credential is a general structure for representing on-chain credential. Credentials are always one of two kinds: a direct public or private key, or a script.
There it is.
There you go. So it is either a script or a private or public key. So for example, I'm using like an eternal wallet, right?
Yeah.
So I am using a private or public key to control this address. Okay. And when a script hash is controlling that address, that means that address lives and dies by the rules defined in one of these guys, in the validator.